My name is Luís Martins. I'm a geologist, and in this moment I'm president of the board of the cluster Portugal Mineral Resources. So we are a competitiveness cluster. We have today something like 22 different thematic competitiveness clusters in Portugal, officially recognized by the government. And we have a national intervention in all the regions of the country, but obviously that we are more focused in the regions that have the most important mineral resources in the country, like Alentejo. And we work with Alentejo also in trying to define the strategies related with this thematic, and also in several projects funded by the structural funds managed by the region of Alentejo, again related with this thematic. So first of all, we try to aware the region about the importance of mineral resources in our daily life. Especially in Alentejo, we are involved in some projects and policies related with circularity. We related with the green transition, digital transition that we are facing today. We cannot have that without mineral resources. And Alentejo has some of the most important mineral resources for that, like copper, a critical and strategic raw material. So we have been working with Alentejo in that, not only a question of awareness, but also trying to contribute to the policies and to the smart specialization strategies related with mineral resources. I can illustrate that with, I think, a good example. Something like 15-20 years ago, we only export in the subsector of dimension stones only the raw material, not transformed, not processed. Today we have a completely value chain, and Alentejo has a very important place on that because of the world famous marbles. And we have, like I was saying, a complete value chain related with dimension stones, since exploration, passing through extraction, processing, and elaborating the fine and wonderful final products that we can see all over the world. And that also represents a very important economic impact, because 15-20 years ago, the exports was about 100 million euros. And now, today, because of that added value resulting for that building of the value chain, we are reaching to values in the last 3-4 years similar to 600 million euros, which is a value comparable with the exports related with metallic minerals. So this is very relevant for our economy and for our sector. We have today about 90 associates, and that includes not only industrial partners, but also academic partners, research institutions, governmental institutions. And our main goal is trying to join industry with academia and with research institutions, and like that, to improve the performance economically, environmentally, socially, in a sustainability approach, in an innovation approach of our companies, especially of our small and medium enterprises. So that's our main goal. A good example of that is a mobilizing agenda that we are developing in the ambit of the Plan of Recovery and Resilience, joining 52 partners, an overall budget of 58 million euros. And exactly the main goal is trying to contribute to the digitalization, to the automation, to the decarbonization of the sector. In this case, again, the subsector of dimension stones through that project, and again, joining research and academic institutions with the industry. That's our main goal, and that's a good example of that.